Three boys get out of their comfort zones with lots of dreams and hopes in their heart to a college called Triple IT in Hyderabad. Now here's what happens to them after 1 month of college.
क्लास के लिए चल, टाइम हो गया।
क्या?
क्लास के लिए चल, टाइम हो गया।
क्लास के लिए?
हाँ।
क्लास तो आज मैं बाहर घूमने जा रहा हूँ।
तेरी पहली अटेंडेंस कम है, चल।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं। वो मैं देखूंगा।
कंप्यूटर पर गेम खेलना छोड़, आजा क्लास के लिए चल, टाइम हो गया। जल्दी आना। ओए, तू कहाँ सो रहा है? जल्दी उठ, क्लास का टाइम हो गया।
अरे 5 मिनट में आता हूँ।
जल्दी आ, जल्दी आ। टाइम नहीं है इतना।
Now is the classroom scene.
Yesterday we learned about Ramesh. Today we will learn about pigeonhole principle. Okay. If you have any doubts, then ask. Okay. Let's start now. Pigeonhole principle. According to pigeonhole principle, if there are n+1 pigeons and young holes, then there at least one hole which contains greater than equal to 1 pigeon. Okay? If you have doubt, then ask. Then you can be a fool for one day. If you don't ask, then you will be a fool for lifetime. Okay? Let's start. Let's take another example. Hey, what are you doing now? And you? What are you doing? Get up from the class now. No, get up. Okay. Then, according to pigeonhole principle. Yes, yes. There is greater than equal to 2 pigeons.
So here saw there was one boy, the first boy, who is lazy now into the college. He sleeps all the day. And there's the other boy who is interested in watching movies and playing games all the time. Now let's see what happened to the third boy.
यार क्या बात है? कैसे चल रहे?
कुछ नहीं यार, बहुत हो गया असाइनमेंट। जब देखो क्लास असाइनमेंट ऐसे करते हैं कि घूमने चलते हैं ना,
चल बाहर
खाने
चलते
पी के। हाँ चल जल्दी आ, कैंटीन के बाहर मिलते हैं ना। चल ठीक है, बाय।
कहाँ जा रहे तुम? पढ़ाई पढ़ाई छोड़ दी क्या?
Always 15 में एक बार please mind your business.
जल्दी सिक्योरिटी असाइनमेंट का
हाँ,
लास्ट डे।
पता है मुझे पता है। तू दुनिया का
मैंने
करना।
तैयारी कर ली।
और क्या दुनिया है ये क्या? पढ़ाई बाहर निकल मुझे
मैं
चलेगा।
असाइनमेंट कॉपी नहीं करवाने वाला, पहले क्या
हाँ,
करना?
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
चल ठीक है।
Now the semester reached to an end, and after the end sems, the boys realized that they have flunked in most of their exams. Terror had struck them. So here's their reaction.
What's up? How did you write the exams?
Might be we are going to be called a separate batch.
यार बैंड बज गई, सब में रहता है, क्लियर है।
You at least don't. I just forgot to write the exams. I was outside and don't know what I was doing, but this happened. And
At least you have a zero, you have absent.
I get 0, not absent. This is triple IT. Okay.
यार,
I can't help it.
डर लग रहा है क्या कर लो, पापा को बोलेंगे देखा।
no, no.
वैसा
Why do you
काम
tell your
मत कर।
parents?
Leave it.
Relax.
Don't say anything. Okay.
Right ले यार,
Take
right
like.
ले।
Let's see what happens.
Now these guys attend the JV Shivir by the end of the semester, After the first day of Shivir, they realized the importance of trust in a relationship and thought that they must not betray their parents and reveal the truth to them before the college begins.
So now, the first boy who realized that he must not cheat his father, the night after the first day of Shivir, this is what happens to him in the night.
हेलो। हाँ बेटा, मैं बढ़िया हूँ, तुम बताओ कैसा चल रहा है कॉलेज? अच्छा, तुम्हारी आवाज से तो नहीं लग रहा। देखो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, तुम टेंशन ना लो, मुझे तुम पे पूरा भरोसा है। तुम अगली बार जम के मेहनत करना, जम के पढ़ाई करना और रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आएगा। अभी जो हो गया सो बीत गया, कोई बात नहीं, तुम टेंशन नहीं लेना, है ना? अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना अगले सेमेस्टर के लिए और फिर अच्छे एग्जाम्स जाएंगे, है ना बेटा? कुछ नहीं बेटा, मुझे तुम पे पूरा भरोसा है, तुम अगले सेमेस्टर में बहुत अच्छा करोगे, बस मेहनत जरूर करना। और कब आ रहे हो घर? अच्छा, जीवन विद्या होने के बाद। कोई बात नहीं, ये शिविर अच्छे से अटेंड करो, फिर अपन घर पे बात करते हैं, है ना? अपना ख्याल रखना।
After the first day, the boy one had actually understood the trust of his father, and the boy two realized that he plays every day and doesn't take life seriously. And boy three says that he'll always be roaming outside and misuse his freedom. This is what these three has to share at the end of the last day of Shivir.
Earlier, I used to be very careless, neglecting things, so lazy. But now I came to know that keeping harmony between myself and the body would lead me to a better path of life. You know, I had many goals, expectations about me, but I was so lazy, I couldn't have good control with my body. So I thought that the self should have control on the body is the main thing. Then in the thought process, whatever the self thinks, the body should coordinate with the self so as to achieve your goals, my goals and animations. So the body may have many attractions or wants many comforts, but the self needs to have control on it. So having control between self and body and control of self on self would lead to a better path of life.
Really, I used to waste a lot of my time, all the precious time I spent playing movies and watching games, and this is one thing I regret for my rest of the life. And I am very thankful to my institute for conducting Shiver that have made me realize how important my time is and how to utilize it, and the interactive sections and activities that have taken place made me realize how I can manage my time by applying timetables and etc. So I'm really thankful to all of them.
Okay, especially I feel I'm ashamed to show my face to my parents because what I have done. They gave me a lot of freedom, and what did I do? I misused them, roam outside and get F grades basically in all the subjects. But now I feel like I know that whatever I do, however I am, there are always my parents who love me forever. I can't help that. That's their nature. And they have many expectations on me. And what did I do? Roaming around, getting zeros. It's like, I feel even ashamed to go to my home and say that, Mom, this is what I got and this is what I got. But I feel like what has happened has happened. Now we can't change anything. At least from now, we can change it. And at least I can strive hard to get some good grades after this sem. And basically, I thought before coming to Shivir it was a waste of time. But later I was realized that this is the time when we can change, or change can happen. I know that change can't happen instantly, but at least I'll try to live up to my expectations of my parents and do as best as I can.
So after the JV Shiva, they introspect themselves and move to the path of improvement. Thank you. Here's the introduction of the cast.
You introduce yourself.
My name is Funny and I am the lazy boy.
My name is Gautam and I am the one who is roaming around outside and doing nothing else.
Myself Gagan, and I'm the one who plays games all the time and watches movies.
I am Anshu Agarwal and I play a role of teacher.
We'd like to hear his thought once again.
Cool. If you have doubt, then you ask. Then you can be a fool for one time. If you don't ask it, then you will be a fool for lifetime.
Hello, my name is Lovepreet and I am a studious boy.
And myself Ravish Motlani, I'm the narrator and father of First Boy.